Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome back in my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share a new product and I believe you will like it because it's related for your hair care. Most of us, we are having itchy scalp, we are having losing hair because of the stress, because of vitamins, because of age. There's many reasons cause this issue. But don't worry, see what I found out for you. I found this product. I think the company name called Aromatica. I think that's how they say the name. But don't worry, I'm going to put in the description the name and I will put where I got it. I got it from Yes Style because it's Asian website. You can find any Asian product you are looking for, but also you can find it in Amazon or other website. The only reason I buy it from Yes Style or Amazon because they are the cheapest website compared with the others. So let me tell you about this product. This product from rosemary oil, but it's not bad as you believe. Don't think, oh, if you put you will have oily hair. No, you can use it and go out immediately. It doesn't make your hair oily or bad. It make it shiny actually, and it make your hair thick, recover the stop losing hair. That's what it helped for. If you ask me, okay, did you try it? No, I did not try it, but I'm so excited to try it with you. I want to see the result. And what encouraged me, because I read more than 4,000 review. They are very happy with this product. If you go to Amazon, I think they are 4,000 reviews with 4.7 star, and almost as I remember the same thing with Yes Style. So most of people, they show their experience before and after. So I'm so excited to try it. It's so easy to use it. You just open it. I don't remember if I mentioned this product made in Korea. And this is a container. It's so small. If you are traveling, you can just take it with you. And so easy to use again. You just have to shake the bottle. And you spray here on the roots. I'm planning to use daily, morning and evening. And that's all. You do massage for your hair for a few minutes and you go out, you go sleep, do whatever you want. You don't have to worry that, oh, you will have oil on your hair and you can't get out. It doesn't make any issue for me, and that's what I like it. Yes, in general, all rosemary are good. That's the only difference here in this product, that you can go out after using it. You don't have to feel stressed that, oh, I'm putting oil, I have to stay at home until I wash my hair, dry it, and wait. You don't have to do all of this. I'm so excited for you too to try this product. This is the bottle again, and this is the container. I hope you like my video. If you like it, please put like, subscribe to see more video, more experience, more honest review. Thank you so much for watching. See you next video with a new product.